Coffee is good this morning. It's always nice.
True.
How's that winter storm down there suffering?
Oh, it's horrible.
70-degree sunny weather?
It's actually gonna be like 60 something today.
I don't know. I don't know how you guys are going to make it.
I don't. We're buckling down. It's
Like
gonna be rough.
20 degrees here right now.
It's gonna be rough. I know the weekend was like. This weekend was.
-4. Ooh, dang, Tom. Ooh, 61, Lou. Yeah, Lou, you're one of them. You're in that state.
Yeah,
-4
you know
is no
State was.
joke. Wow.
Ooh. Oh.
Yeah, that is
Oh.
cold.
Oh. Oh.
That is cold. We broke that overnight high now. The yes.
Mm.
Yeah. You Florida people. -40. Good. No,
Wait,
thank
I
you.
thought Dave was in Kissimmee.
He is in Kissimmee. 72 Burr, he said.
Oh.
-40 in Canada. Well, guess what? You can have it.
Yeah. No, not me.
That's not my cup of tea.
That is actually a long.
Yeah, turned into a breakout the overnight. No, it's a nothing until after the open. That's what it is.
Yep. Yep. Mm. All right. We got people doing the member hangout now. Good.
Somebody was in there earlier.
All right.
What? 2 more minutes.
Let's see here.
Is it going to run away here at the open? Is that what it's wanting to do?
Maybe.
Looks kind of like we're going up.
Yep.
All right, showtime. Let's do this thing.
Let's do it. I mean, this is short, but
Yeah, but it's like, no, thank you.
not at that one. No.
There was the long, but that would have been a pretty quick one on the.
Yeah.
Look around what these other indices are doing here.
Maybe a 6E short.
6E possible setup, yeah.
I actually kind of like that.
CL, no. Gold is probably,
Make it long.
yeah. I need a clean
Yeah.
swing. I'll wait. Drink some coffee.
Yeah. Do something else.
That's right. Tell some jokes.
Hmm?
I said, do something else. Tell some jokes.
Well, last night I was cutting up some pickles and some onions, and then I stopped. I thought I'd relish the moment.
I knew that was coming.
Still think the short's the way to go here.
What on the GC? Number 6E,
Yes.
excuse me.
Look at this.
Oh, ES short?
NQ. It looks like it wants to make, doesn't it? But they're gonna keep trying to push it up, I think.
Yeah, I think we.
Yeah, that's a sucker short.
It is a short. ES is a possibility right
Yeah,
now, literally
we'd have to do it now though.
right now if you're going to take it. I wasn't quick enough. I missed it.
Now I think again, like I said, I think that's a sucker short.
I'd rather just wait.
Get the long on the bigger pullback.
Mm-hmm. Let it come back down. I agree with that.
Let's see.
Break
No,
out
I
long.
picked Denver and New England Denver and LA Super Bowl.
Yeah, well, Denver got messed up when they lost their
I know.
quarterback, so
Well, I
that
picked
hurt them.
before the playoffs. I picked
Yeah,
Denver,
I think you had a.
Denver and Seattle,
I think that would have been a pretty good pick with the quarterback.
and Sean Payton as coach. Come on.
Mm-hmm.
Now,
Yeah, I like Sean Payton.
this RTY might actually be along here.
Yeah, you place a stop
I'm
above,
gonna put
say
that. Yeah,
78.4.
yep. I'm gonna put that in right now.
Crap, I can't get
Oh
there. Oh,
no!
man, I couldn't get there fast enough. Look at that crap go without us, too. I couldn't
Oh,
get it in fast enough.
I went at the market on another account.
Oh, I missed it. Oh, well.
What is that?
Oh, well. All right, let it go. It's gonna be a good long too. You watch. Anybody quick enough to catch that? I couldn't get it in fast enough. Nice, Tom. Somebody got it.
Good job. Good job, those who got that.
Somebody's got it. Somebody making money. I gotta find a way to get in this. It's a pullback here. I told you it looked like they wanted to break up, didn't it?
Couldn't get it on this one, but I get on a different account, so there you go.
Here's an area where you might get a decent short on the S. If it
Yeah, let's get a
cleanly sets
pullback though,
up.
man.
But
If we get one.
no, I know I'd much rather get a
Yeah, it
pullback,
doesn't
but I
look
don't
like
know
we're
that you're
gonna
gonna
get
get one.
Yeah. Looks like you should just be long, huh?
Yeah, that's one of those
Wow.
just push the buy button.
RTY,
Just push the buy button.
go on for me, RTY. Go on. Go on. Don't get up there. Stay
Dang, I
there with
just
me,
missed
Tom.
that. I should have just hit market like you.
I couldn't get it on this account with a buy stop, so I hit market on my other screen. So
I
I
was
didn't
too
know
busy
which
trying to
account it.
get the thing in, and it just shot off without me.
I tried to as well, and I just hit market as soon as it just had that slightest little pullback. So I'm a few ticks behind the
There'll
best
never be
entry.
another trade.
I could probably even get up to here on this one.
You know what? Let's get a little music playing. Chill out.
Oh wow, yeah, this could be a
Spotify.
really good long.
Yeah,
That's
you
got
got
some
some room to run
legs.
there.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
does
it's
have
got
some
some room
room
to
to look.
run. That's going to be good.
Gonna sell some legs on this one. Broke all that stuff. We'll probably go up a little bit higher on the stop here.
Did you start the
Get behind
stream?
that candle, huh?
Did you start stream?
Oh yeah, I think so.
Okay. Oh,
Should be. Let me check. It says it's working.
okay. How are you getting? Here's the area that I told you. I mean, this area here for short is.
I just don't know if I can short this, man. I mean,
Uh,
I guess you could for a couple targets, but
or yeah, like a scalp short. I'd rather. I'm gonna let it come down, try to catch it long, get back in and long, but it's gonna be a valid setup here. It's gonna pull
you could
back.
try and set it up. I mean, you could, if you really wanted, you could be at like what, uh,
I
68,
mean,
70.
68.25,
Yeah, 68.
68.25
Sorry,
short
yeah,
on the
or 68. Yeah, or 69.
Yeah, you could even go underneath that wick.
69 would be the short. If you really want it, I don't want it.
Those of you that are adventurous, it's gonna pull back. I mean, it's there you go. Hook stochastics. There's definitely counter though. Thank you as well. Thank you setting up as well.
Good job, Tom.
Ready to go.
I might look at a lower tick chart long. What do you think, Paul?
Yeah, if it comes down, it gives us a clean setup.
Nothing really
That's
clean right
kind of
now,
what I'm
but
looking for, but there's nothing clean on the ES or the NQ right now. I mean, if you're not long,
you're
that's it.
wrong.
You're
You're not
wrong.
long, you're wrong.
If you're not long, you're wrong. Gotta wait.
Did you target that, Tom? If you did, that's a good job.
Yeah, it's good trade on that RTY.
If you had a target at the
Good
top of the
trade.
swing too, that's a really good
There's your
trade.
breakout.
Smart move. That's it. Yeah, good on the long stretch. I
What,
didn't
oh,
have that
you
clean
EL.
enough entry for me to do it.
Oh, yes, long.
Yeah,
Okay. You hold this one stretch because
it could go. It could just
you're gonna
go.
get your runner out of that. I don't know where you got in at, but
I think he did the breakout here. Looks like. Yeah.
32.25, nice.
Little breakout
Couple
trade.
points
Good
up.
job. That's weird.
There
Oh,
we go. There we go. What was that? I don't know what it was, but that may be the only.
that's what it was. You don't know what it was? It was your grandma's panties.
Okay. Uh, you say so.
What's wrong with this guy?
Come on back. Come on, let's go. Give me somewhere to
Yeah,
get in this thing.
man.
Come on
Just a
down.
little tight on the RTY stop, but that's again still that's hard to stay in too. You had
Good
that
trade
wick too.
though.
You had that one wick. You thought you'd want to be behind that, which is what I did, and
GC short.
don't know if I'll be
Yep.
shorting GC. Yeah, I don't. I just don't see a
I mean,
short.
I'm not looking at shorts or anything, but maybe the 6E, but and even it keeps going straight up. Yeah, I'm not looking to
CL,
short anything.
no,
Ooh, missed the double bottom on CL.
that was about the only. I don't know. I don't know if I call that a miss either. To be honest with you. After the second time, two double bottoms in a row on the lower, smaller tick chart on that one.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah, I don't think that's
Oh,
something that
just
I
go
would have
sit on my
been.
hands and wait.
I don't think I would have been excited
Sit in
about
my,
that either.
just sit on my hands and wait.
I mean, there is the breakout play coming up right now if somebody wants it, but not me.
I mean, NQ above 846.50, I would possibly be a little bit more. I'm waiting. We'll get it.
Eventually.
It'll give us the swing we want at some point. And if not, took a trade yesterday evening and made a little bit of money on gold. So I do like gold in the evenings.
What time do you do it?
Just around the open.
Oh, well, gold last night, huh?
Yeah, I like gold in the evening. Told you we should look at it.
What time do you do it?
I don't remember. It was somewhere around the open. It's like just after the open sometime. It broke up and then pulled back.
Must have taken it on a smaller tick chart.
That was a small tick chart. Yeah, I usually look at the small tick chart and
Oh yeah,
it's
there's
just too
decent little
slow in the
pullback.
big. It's too slow on the big ones at night. There's your breakout.
Like I said, if anybody's down for that kind of stuff,
Yeah,
but
you did call it. If anybody swings that
not in
way,
my repertoire right now.
I want a pullback. Come on. Give me a nice, clean swing back, bounce off something I like, and go. Club side motion. Ooh, that RTY, man. All right, you gonna make me put a micro long on everything? Is that what you're gonna make me do?
That might be it. Yeah, put your micro along. Ooh,
Excuse me. It worked.
yeah, I'll be
It
right
worked
back.
pretty well the other day.
Be right. Oh yeah. No, I mean at this point, what's put a nice generous stop in and let it roll. I mean,
A
get
big
a couple
stop
hundred
on it and
bucks.
just
Yeah,
forget about it. Forget
get a
about it.
get a couple $100 and move on. Yeah, I gotta step away. I'll be right back.
Man, it's cold. Whew. -4. Tom, where are you at, Tom? What part of the country? Oh, you got some gold last night too? Yeah, it was just one little trade, a few $100. I was actually doing some stuff and had the chart open and saw it set up. Illinois. Whew. Man, mighty, -4. Oh, no, thank you. I don't know how you can live in a place like that. I complain about the cold here. -14. Good Lord. No, thank you. You can have it. Come on, pull back. I think that's all you're going to get. I really think that's all you're going to get. That little pullback. It's already hooking on the small tick chart. Here we go. Come on back. Short off the 78.50. Yeah, I mean, I just don't want to short in this market, but that's a valid setup. Good job, Lulu. It was a valid setup. I'm gonna wait. I'm green and from last night and don't have to worry about it. I can be patient. Yeah, me too. That's what I want. I'll get it. It's gonna come down. You'll see. We're getting a nice clean swing down. Maybe the 89. That would be nice. 89 on the big chart would be really nice. I don't know we'll get that, but yeah, coffee is definitely good this morning. Woo. Anybody in here long? Who's long? Stretch, you still holding that long? Yes, gave a big range overnight. Long RTY. Okay. Oh, so you're holding from the original entry PBR. Good job. Yeah, Dave. It did. You're absolutely right with that. Slow grind. I said that earlier. I said before the market opened. I said it looks like it's just gonna bust up. Still holding long the RTY. Good job, guys. Nice. That's the one I wish I would have got in. Just wasn't quick enough. Yes. 87 and a quarter would be a good area, good target up there if we could get up there. That's what I have. I mean, you could take this breakout again because it just didn't pull back. But I'm not jumping in up here. I don't know where you guys are on your RTY, but I wouldn't give it too much stop, maybe 91.7, somewhere around there, because it looks like it wants to.
Nice, Dave.
I know. Dave and PBR, both of them.
Really? Oh, good.
Yeah,
You let it go.
besides, why are my pivots not on my? Oh, there they are. Pivot. I want CL pivot. Ooh, shorten the P. Yeah, I mean, I'll tell you what. That's not. Look at the CL, Brian. I mean, it's come down. It's tapped that bottom 1, 2, 3, 4 times now. I don't know that I would short it right below the pivot. I'd prefer probably a break out of that low. But I mean, it's basically dancing around this pivot, and that's usually a no-go for me. Be careful, Tom.
I mean, you want a short. Like everything's setting up for a
So
short, but you're like, I
everything is
don't
setting
think
up
I
for a
want to
short.
do it at all. Don't want to short anything.
When you're CL, you're getting a breakdown here. I
Ugh,
mean, did you take it, Tom?
I just don't think I can do it. I think I'd rather look for the long.
I want to swing down so I can get long. I'm willing to wait for it. But again, no pivot and swing there. Yeah. Yeah, it's busy. There's a lot going on right there.
Again, breakout on the yes is coming. It already happened on the NQ.
Yeah, I said that when you stepped away. I said
Oh,
with that small little pullback, you could definitely take this breakout again, but I don't want to get in up here.
no.
Tell you what I
No,
might
not
do.
really.
Might just throw a micro on it for fun.
For fun.
For fun. Just so I can say I'm in a trade.
I traded today.
I traded today. Hey, I'm 295 up on my gold trade last night, so
Good trade. There might be a CL long setting up.
oof, just into that pivot.
And it's down.
And it's down.
Ugh,
Everything's pointing down. I don't know.
nice little downtrend.
Don't know. Don't know.
It might be worth a little shot. Let me think about this for a second. You kind of have to have your buy stop above this last little push up. It's just a lot. Yeah, you're
Which is
right.
right at the pivot, basically.
You're running into pivot.
Maybe let it break the pivot. I don't know.
Running into a
RTY is getting a
long.
pullback. RTY is
Yeah,
getting a pullback.
that's setting up for a decent long.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna do a V bottom, but if they can, okay, all
No, I
right.
think you're going to get it.
Maybe we put a buy stop in here.
Yeah, what is that? 90, 90.7? What do you got there?
Yeah,
90.8?
yeah.
90.9 or 8?
Something like
8?
that. Yeah, a couple ticks, just above that wick. That's about the only trade I can see right now that makes sense to me.
Break out. You're getting a short set up on the yes, but again,
I don't know if I can pull myself to
I'm
get that
not.
short.
I'm not super pumped about either that or the NQ. They're still both long. No, I don't believe that RTY is going to see if it holds here. Nope. Nope. I think you can cancel that RTY. It's not going down. NQ's got some higher time frame resistance here, but if it breaks below this, but your stop, it's got to be huge. It's got to be.
Yeah, I can't do it now.
No. That ES short working out.
Well,
Come on down.
yeah, I was gonna say again. Let's get this little pull back here and try to get the long. I think.
Hey, it's 10 o'clock already.
Oh, look at that. There's a CL long.
Yeah, literally right there.
Just
You want to
passive
try that?
intensity. Yeah, it's going. It's too late. Oh,
I don't
like
know,
you
man.
said,
It's just
pivot
now breaking the
long.
pivot.
Uh,
I don't like to dance around that pivot, man. It just.
if you want the ES long, that'd have to be like right now.
Yeah, EF long at 77 and a quarter.
Nice.
Long from 74.50. Okay. Caught that bounce off that line, right? RTY bounce off 89. Yeah, I mean, if it sets up, I'll take the RTY long. I'd definitely take the Russell long.
Yeah, I would do that.
Let's see what the big tick chart does. You got oversold stochastic. I said it right. Look at that. You got oversold
Yeah.
stochastics.
I mean,
Out time, Paul. Hey, watch it. I'm not scared. Maybe I am just a little.
now you have a double bottom on the smaller tick chart, but watch this 89 on the RTY here. A CO would have been a good trade, but I just couldn't do it with it with all this stuff in the way.
Much yunk. NQ, I'm in a pretty good resistance area zone here,
Yeah,
higher time frame zone. If this NQ can't hold here and fails down, I think it's a solid short.
it's a.
The only problem is the stop for me.
I got a strong resistance area as well here. Anywhere from here up to
Mm-hmm. 90.
like 9, yeah,
Yeah,
20.9.
that's the problem is your real stop's got to be up there. That's a big stop.
Yeah, that's a
Big stop. But it's a valid short. It's a little out of my comfort
risk
zone
risk
risk
parameters.
wise.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely past my risk parameters.
RTY might be setting up here, and it's sitting on top of the 89 for both the small tick chart and the big one. I'm still willing. I think I'd be willing to put a. Where do you put the buy stop though? I guess you'd have to
Has
be
to go
above
above that
this.
wick, right? So what,
Yeah, you have to.
87.4? 87.5?
The high is 87.3. Yeah, yeah. Let's see if this candle. I don't like that one wick bottom though on the RTY.
Big tick chart is setting up though.
I think it'd have to be above this candle.
Yeah, so what is that, 87.6? Is that what you
87,
got?
yeah, 87.7.
87.7? I think that's a safer entry.
Yeah, that would be the safer entry. If this candle can, well, there's 2 wicks on the bottom. I kind of like it.
Let's see what this other candle does.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait. If it sets up with this candle staying in that structure, then I'll put the buy stop in. If it doesn't, then I'll hold off.
I don't have a tick thing on there. 173 ticks left. I think I'll put it in there if it doesn't, if it finishes down.
Yeah, at this point, if it turns around, it's gonna take off, huh?
Mm,
All right, which one you want? 877 or
87.7. I think 87.7 is your real entry. I mean, you go a little bit lower. 87.5 maybe?
that's not gonna stay.
No, it's going down.
It's gone. Never mind.
Close it. Never mind. Forget it. Doesn't want to give me a trade today. On that note, let's step away for a sec. I'll be right back.
All right. I mean, you want to look at the 6E short, but it's hard to do with that breakout on the daily. That CL trade was one we should probably take a shot at, but oh well. Real news today. Still trying to look at the RTY. It scares me the way it keeps trying to set up and not finishing. This
Look at
area
that
would be
NQ short
outstanding.
working out.
Huh? Well, the short's there. I
The
mean, the short
NQ,
was there,
the
but I
NQ
mean,
short, yeah, which is a big
all right.
risk.
Here's my problem with this: is you had one, two, three short setups, maybe four on the ES, and none of them were really winners. That just seems like somebody wants to take retail money. And the lower
That's
time frame
exactly
long is setting up.
right now.
Oof. This is not. I mean, it looks like it would be easy, I guess, on paper, but I I'm just not getting a good feel on the. Did we get the push up, and now we're just going to stay in a chop and range bound environment?
That CL worked out.
Huh?
I said that CL was that was the trade, but who could have
I
took it
mean,
in all that garbage?
there's still an RTY long setting up.
It's kind of V bottom down here though.
Yeah, you'd have to do it above this little ledge here again. That'd be like 87, what, 87.5 or the high is 87.1, so 87.2 or 3. Just, let's see here.
And 85.1.
Maybe. No, that's too aggressive an entry.
85.1, yeah, that's
Yeah, that's
pretty
aggressive.
aggressive. I mean, it worked out for you, but
Big tick chart says now you can do.
I can do 87.3,
High is
87.2.
yeah, 87.2, 87.3 would be the thing you could do now. Based on that candle.
I give that a shot.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I mean I think that would be a valid long setup, I think. See if I get time to do that on a different account.
Let's see what happens if it gets up there.
That's set up a
Just
little bit better for it if you do that buy stop. Oh,
I just don't like it.
I know, right? little, little inverse head and shoulders pattern though, from where it came from earlier. Here, somebody give me your account. I'll trade it.
Yeah, I can do it in someone else's
Yeah,
account.
somebody
I'd
give
be
me your
happy to
account.
do
I'll trade
that.
that. Take that trade.
All over that trade. In a possible bounce off. Yeah, possible CL maybe bouncing off of VWAP.
Yeah, the CL short maybe. Again, that just one wick top. The long was down here. Or the 3 wicks. That's the trade that should have jumped on that one. I'm you know what? Yeah, I'm sold on this RTY now that if it stays here. A little buy stop in that.
I think if it gets back up there, you got a good shot.
Yeah, if it goes back up, that's a long.
Yeah. Getting a
Again, the CL short was there, but
I was gonna say you're getting a short on CL.
where?
Nothing is making me want to jump into anything. I'm just chill.
Yeah. I'll put this buy stop here on RTY and see if.
I'll put that in your because that's fairly safe. I think if it gets up there, if it gets back up there, I think you'll be okay. But it doesn't look like it wants to.
No.
The bigger time frame looks like on there. Mm.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll take a risk on it. I'll just do a set risk on that one on RTY. ES and NQ. Those are just hard longs to get into. I don't know any other way to just close your eyes and press a button, I guess.
I mean, ES 86, 87 is a good target up there. You could just set it and forget it and just let it bounce up and down. It'll work its way up there, but
No real clean swing on GC. Can't take that trade. The CL long was the trade. That was but hindsight's 2020 on that one. Didn't want to do that.
yeah, Monday morning quarterbacking's easy.
Didn't want to do that into that.
Oh, okay. I'm in my trade now.
Down.
Let's see what happens.
CL.
One target off.
I guess that was an okay buy area now that I look back at it, but all right, come on RTY. One target. Go RTY. Go RTY.
Here comes your 87 on ES. To 87 to.
I'll put the stop back here for now. Oh, come on. That's not cool. Technically, my stop should be back a little bit further. It should probably be back here around the 84, I guess. It was 84.2. Should be like technically that should be the stop. It's a painful little long to be in, huh?
Hold on to it though. It's gonna.
It looks like it wants to go. I mean, the
It's gonna
chart says
pop.
it's supposed to go, so.
I mean, looking at the bigger chart, it could. No, let's see. RTI pulled way back more than 50% of the range since open, so no like either long. 50% of the range. I went ahead and took my second target. I'm not gonna run any risk. Move my stop to a no lose now. It goes on that last target. If it doesn't, I don't lose anything.
There you go. Now we're guaranteed money on it.
Yep. Not the free trade. Not the most impressive trade, but hey,
Yeah, well, it is what
it's
it
a
is.
trade. There's your 87 on the yes. Told you.
Oof.
Told you.
Oof.
Now shorten this area. That's up.
GC's trying to set up for a long, but again, just it's not the setup I'm looking for. I'm trying to figure out a way to stay in that RTY. That's going to be a long on RTY and try to stay in it, but every time it gives you a good stop, it comes back and ticks you back out.
51 Lulu. Don't want to hear it.
Every single time.
$85 short on the yes because I got a pretty strong level here.
Yeah. Oh man. I
Overbought
mean, that would be
stochastics on the
okay.
big chart, overbought on the small.
Again,
Ah,
this is one of those ones where if it breaks the structure on the top side, that's a long. If it
right.
breaks it
It's
on the bottom
gone.
side, that's a short.
Yeah, exactly.
It looks like it's going to be the long that's going to be the one that has it. I just can't pull myself to do the breakout.
No, not this
That's
way. Not
it.
this far up here. Yeah, Lulu, that's what I'm looking at. I mean, I don't know that I would take it at 88. I'd let it come back down through, but on a
Well,
bigger
that's what I was
chart.
looking at on the daily. Yeah, I was looking at the same thing on the daily. I was like, where
Me
is the
too.
real daily
I got some
resistance?
strong
It's
resistance here.
somewhere
I
around
think
this area.
I'm just gonna put, it's gonna break up. Never mind.
Is that high as 94 even? Yeah, this is tough. I,
Oh, 84.50. I got R2 there at
Again, the
84.50,
RTY is
but I
still
don't.
going to continue up. I just, if anybody wants to get back in it, you'd have to go back above this wick. 88.6 above that. That would be about the only place you could do.
Yeah, it's 85 short.
Do you want to do it?
I'm looking at it.
I mean, that says that this should be a good short. The slow price action is just not really.
Brutal.
And then again, the candle didn't even go halfway through the structure on the next This is a lot of ticks up here. I
Lining up to do something, up or down.
I can't take the short. I'm
I
trying to convince myself to do it. And
I got my finger on the trigger, but I don't know that I can actually do it either.
it says it's there. NQ's making right now.
I'm gonna try it.
Maybe one of those that pops down and grabs your targets really fast.
Mm-hmm. Won't give it a whole lot of room if it doesn't work.
I'll tell you what I would be interested in is a smaller tick chart long at this point,
Yeah,
maybe. I mean, it's also could be one of those situations where they got everybody thinking long and then turn around and dump it too.
there we go.
You did it.
Breakthrough. I did. Yeah, I did it. I got target off.
I should have pulled the trigger on it.
It was hard. I would be lying if I said I wasn't.
A little
It took me a while to actually
sweating
push
for
the
a
button, but
minute. Like,
I was sweating just a tad. But
I don't
I
think I
got
want to
I
do it.
got it. Now it's a free trade. Now I don't care what happens. Do whatever you want. Do whatever you want.
Now, I would tell you this though: if it comes back to anywhere around 78, 9, down to like 77, and gives me a long signal, I would totally look at that.
I'm good with that. That'd make a good trade for me. So yeah, go for it. I hope that sets up.
That would make your trade great, and then I would turn into a decent little long there. 76, 75, yeah. Yeah, somewhere right there, Lulu.
Good. Y'all keep talking like that. That's a freaking runner for me. Go for it. I'll take it.
Where you go from
I hope
85 to
you guys are
75,
right.
and you get a 10 point,
Go
you
on
get
the
a
way
10 point
down to
run there.
76,
There you
75 area. Go, baby. There we go. See? Only took me till 10:30, but I finally got it traded.
go.
Anybody else take it short? Or was everybody else too chicken too?
What's the matter, Colonel
Chicken.
Sanders?
Bark, bark, bark,
Chicken?
bark, bark, bark.
Yeah, I mean, that again, Big Tick Chart said take the short. There's all these failed shorts earlier is what got me scared.
Could be it for me. I agree, Lulu. That's okay. I'll tighten it up a little bit and take some profit. I just want to get on the board with a good trade. That RTY really didn't make much.
No.
I'm not giving up on this thing. Come on. I
Yeah, you
will
got a good little
reverse with
trade.
you guys
Yeah,
too
no, you
down to
got a good
there.
little trade.
I
It's
will
gonna
sit
break
there and
now.
reverse with you.
Watch. Break down now, and you got a really good trade. You are gonna get that 76. Maybe even, yeah. All the way down. Yeah. Yeah, you got it now.
Okay. Okay.
The 1030 reversal.
That's right. 1028 reversal.
Would
The
you get
famous
filled at like
1028
10,
reversal.
10,
What's that?
1025? You got filled at?
85.
No, what time? 1025
Oh,
reversal.
yeah, what was it? I don't know, 1025?
Yeah.
1025 reversal? Yeah, come on down to that 76, 75 area. Give me a
Here
nice
we
little
go.
runner. I like it now that it broke below the 89 on the small chart. Who said this trading thing was hard?
Yeah, you got two
That one
winners
had
there.
a that one
Pretty
had a
good.
pucker factor of about 9 though.
I know, right?
I was
we
like,
should
I
grade.
was not. I almost didn't push the button.
We should start grading our trades based on pucker factor.
What's the pucker factor on that one? Is RTY's dumping?
Somewhere down here, if it sets up again, if it sets up, I'm not taking a setup like this. I'll take a cleaner, couple candle setup if it sets up with the
Around
longer RTY.
73.2, somewhere around there.
It's gotta stop for a couple candles for me at this point. I'm not gonna take a one candle setup. The euro's running up,
All right, let
up.
me put my stop at 80.5. Yeah, I think that's enough
See
room.
if you got a big enough account with a large pucker factor.
Long.
Is a long. Keep my eye on this RTY here. See if that makes something. Switch that account over.
There you go. Come on. 3 more points. 2 more points.
Yes, it's trying to set up, huh?
Yeah, I will reverse with you if it does.
It looks like it.
Hmm I will definitely reverse, or better yet, here I'll go long in a different account and close
Yeah,
this one out.
let's just see if it sets up here. But then you got this candle back here, so you kind of want to be. Oof. All right, we'll try it.
Your buy's got to be what, above 80, 50?
Yeah, it's gotta be there. It's about to fill me. Yeah, it'd have to be like or 80.75,
Oh,
80.50. All
oh,
right, let's see. Go, baby, go. Uh, Oh, go get my target. Come on. There we go. Oh, you didn't get my target? You dirty, dirty dog. Dirty,
pretty.
dirty dog. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
All right.
Boom. Look at that. Catch it on the way down, catch it on the way up. Hello. I like this trading thing. It's fun.
It's easy.
Wait.
That was easy.
Ooh.
All right, let's get
The
this
elevator
stop to
goes
a
both ways.
guaranteed.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does.
Stop to a guaranteed win. See if let's see what's that low there.
I'm just at my. I'm right. I'm right where you are actually.
That low is 80.75, so 80.50. Yeah, that's about the best stop we can do. Or here, what's that low?
Oh shoot.
80.75, 80.50. So
RTY. We missed the bounce on RTY.
it did have two candle setup, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I was a little too focused on the ES and NQ here. And that's not going to go very far, is it? Maybe it will. Kind of have to use this wick now, but you don't have to use it, but that seems like it would make sense, doesn't it? Low is 82, 80.75. That's the best thing we can do. Yeah, there you go.
We're just happen here. Okay. EC short would have been a breakout. Never mind. That was ugly.
I don't even know if I could. I can't bring myself to do that GC. If we get a clean swing down a little lower on GC and it sets up with a small, like a couple small
It's coming
candles,
down. Yeah, it's
I'll
coming
take it
down to
long.
VWAP. If it bounced off the VWAP with a clean sandal, with a clean setup, I think that's a long.
What's that? Somewhere around 64.
No, it's a little higher. It's at 69.9.
Okay. Clean setup. I'd look at it.
Yeah, I mean, it's got to be a nice clean setup, but I definitely would be interested in that.
It's a hard long to stay in, but it's still a good long.
I am comfortable for now.
Yeah. I'm not gonna get a rush. We got all day to get this done. Yeah. Like I said, I would have looked at the CL short. Just can't do a one candle setup, and that wick. I mean, I guess you could have looked at that, but you're back down here where the long came from. CL's setting up for a long. Same predicament as before, I guess so. I guess if it goes back above the pivot, you could look at it.
Yeah.
Good. I just don't. It just seems like one of those head fake days, doesn't it? Everybody thinking one thing and then doing the other.
But they do it the other.
Just seems that way. We got a few good trades, though. It's not like it's horrible.
Yeah. No, I mean I'm sitting green. I'm okay.
I mean, there was the actual buy signal for this CL long. It looks like it's trying to form right now. I'd be interested in it if this. You could probably put a buy stop right above this wick now. The high is 67, so maybe like 68. If it goes back up that time, it should at least get targets.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like they try to get everybody thinking long, and then gonna try to push it down. Bigger double top on the NQ. That's oof. It looks like it might be the way to go, though, doesn't it?
I mean, you're getting a big M on the NQ.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. You'd be short
It'd
literally
be
38.25,
yeah, something like that.
somewhere around there. Below this swing low,
That'd be a big one.
breaking VWAP.
Is that a break of VWAP? Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, can you pull yourself to do it, Brian? I don't think so. That's just a big
It's a
trade.
big, because your risk, man, is huge.
Yeah, it's a big
That stop's
risk
got to be
trade.
up top there.
Big old risk trade. And you'd be in. I can't do that either.
Ah. Too rich for my blood. I'll sit that out.
Yep. I can't pull myself to pull the trigger on the RTY long now either, but it actually might be a good spot for it.
Where would you be though? 71.4 or up above 72.1?
You have to go above this week, I guess. That's a high of yeah, 72.2. It's not gonna happen.
If they go down. This NQ's a short.
I know. I cannot pull myself to pull the trigger though. Yeah, ES is dumping too.
It wants to go.
Looks like it does, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
That's a yeah, I can't do that. I can't do it. As much as I'm looking at it, I can't do it.
That's a tough short.
And the RTY is setting up for the long. And you would be in.
There goes your NQ long.
Yeah, right. That's what
Yeah,
I'm
that's
saying.
why you can't do it.
Yeah, can't do it. It's a little tough this morning, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, no, it's definitely tough.
Stick with a few good trades we have and be patient.
Not every day's a grand slam.
Nope. We get plenty of those. We get plenty of those. Our target's off on RTY if you took the RTY long. I was seriously considering it. I could have done it. It had to be above this candle though. How that candle's 72, yeah, 72.2. So yeah, so you have targets off now. So easy. This might be a conquer the afternoon day, huh?
Yeah. What time is it? Almost. Take a break at 11.
Yeah,
I
let's
go
take
do my nursing
Nurse
duties.
Paul duty.
Nurse
Calling Nurse
Paul duties.
Paul. Calling Nurse Paul.
Calling Nurse Paul.
Let's see.
CL. Uh, CL long. Oh man, it's up into that pivot.
Oof.
Ah,
I think you know that first one worked and then it went below there. I can't take the long now again. I would have preferred the short earlier. Didn't set up the way I liked it. I don't know if I can pull myself to take this long into the pivot now. I think you missed that, had that chance on the earlier one. I mean, I've been wrong before though. You'd have to do it above this candle. The high of 60.60, so I mean 60.61, so like 61. That's right into the pivot too.
literally
right
into it.
I mean, it is setting up for a long. Don't get me wrong. I'm being conservative this morning because I don't like the price action. Normally, I would have most of my trades done by now.
May be an afternoon trading day. May not even be an afternoon trading day. We'll see.
We'll probably get some action. There's no news, nothing. Everybody's in for the cold weather, I guess, huh?
Yeah, and then so we got FOMC on Wednesday.
All the big boys are somewhere in the Caribbean, hanging out,
They're
drinking,
yeah,
drinking Mai Tais.
they're down in the island with their on their boats,
Yeah,
suffering through the storm.
they all got out of town for the storm. That actually might have something to do with it too.
Possible. It's a pretty extensive storm across the eastern coast.
Everything above here. I mean, yeah, if
All
you got the
right.
brass, CL's the long. I mean, it's setting up, but I don't have the brass for that one.
I'm not taking it.
You are?
I am not taking it. No.
No, yeah,
No.
I'm not gonna do it either.
Breakout long on the NQ and the ES, but
Head fakes all around. Head fake all around.
yeah, that's what they're doing. They're just playing games here.
Yep. Except for the 6E. Just buy it. That's crazy. Let's get daily again on this. Just to give us something to do. I mean, this. Now you're going up. You broke that daily range we were in for a while on 6E with that gap up. I mean, technically, I guess you could get up to these highs here. That'd be a nice little move on 6E. A break above the Globex would be the only thing you could do on that. Um, Good news is we can come back this afternoon, conquer the day.
You see that
Again,
message I put in
I'm
there?
on daylight today. I'm good with 3 winning trades,
Me
even
too.
though they're small. I don't need to. I don't need to have
Yeah.
$3,000 days every day. I know I'm gonna get them, so
I mean, I'm up $200-300 across 3 accounts, so that's not bad.
not quite where
Two,
you
three hundred
are.
bucks each. So it's what, a $600-700 day. That's not bad.
Two.
$700 morning sure beats working at Walmart.
90. Yeah.
No
Yeah,
offense to
yeah,
anybody that works at
700.
Walmart, but
No,
I'd
no.
rather do this.
Getting close to that $600 mark.
Plus my little 289 from gold last night. So make that a
Oh yeah, $1,000 day.
800.
You're good. There you
Yeah,
go.
almost $1,000, not morning, but $1,000 day. Sure beats a real job.
It does. It sure does. Like I said, that CL wasn't long, but I couldn't pull myself to do it. Anyway, but I don't know if somebody did the CL long, but it was there. Let's see. I mean, it's not that bad. I mean, do you try the short, or do we just go on break and come back?
I'm not interested in trading this. It's just too freaking dead and slow for me.
I would just say come back around noon or something.
I think that's probably not a bad idea. What is it, 11 now? Just hang out to
Yeah.
11 and then we'll break from 11 to 12, right?
Yeah, I got some things I need to take care of as well. So
Yeah. Do you see that message I put in there? No, you didn't, because it doesn't show that you have.
I just did.
Is that? I don't know if that's the same person though.
I believe so.
I don't know because I can't tell who's who anymore. I know. Wait, I can do this. Hold on.
Just tell him.
Go
Kevin.
here.
Kevin. He's my buddy. Kevin.
Where is the?
Yeah. All right. That's it. Let's just take a break and come back.
That's all you can take.
That's it. I can't take any more of this.
That's it. I can't take any more. Damn it. I'm
There's
done.
short coming up here on the ES. The breakout happened already on the NQ. There's a short setting up on the RTY. I'm not going to take any of these trades. No, yeah, I'm not doing it. Let's just come back in a little while. This seems silly. I mean, I know somebody's going to look at us and say, well, there's a lot of trades.
Oh, I could have took this trade and I'd have made all this money.
Okay,
Good for you.
Good job.
I'm trading my cash account, so I'm gonna take the trade when I want to take it.
That's exactly what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to make
That's why I'm here.
I'm being conservative and I'm going to make money. So put that in your pipe and smoke it. I don't think there's anything we should be doing with this. I'm not doing anything.
Roll that up and smoke it.
It's not really in our game plan.
Nope. All right.
Yeah.
See you in an hour.
Let's go back in an hour. All right.
See you in an hour.
Let's do that.
I'm out.